Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a few days, but here is the last one that we did. Very fun chakra tie-dye. You can see the gold coming through in that festive green. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the shimmer inside that Carolina blue from Christina's Posse paint. So pretty. And then there's little bits, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but throughout here, of the interference violet that did show through. But here's that piece. I just did I cleaned it and I did a quick clear coat on it for right now. I don't know what we're going to do with this, but we'll revisit it just like the other ones. So today we are working on our KINGART. These are the metallic set from KINGART. I have them all pre-mixed, they're all set, but I want to go over the colors first because I wanted to see how they would dry. I wanted to see what they would look like, and so I swatched them out upside down, there we go. And then I made little notes. So the color is in blue and then my little notes are aside of it because I wanted to point out, especially with this one's the copper gold right here, and that to me looked a lot more like just regular gold. There's no copper in that copper gold. The second one looks more like it could be a copper gold. This one right here, that it has a little bit more of a red hue to it, just a slight darker red hue. Jumping in, this right here is their bronze, which to me looks like a rose gold or something like that, because I just put a little bit of a studio acrylic bronze next to it, and you can see that's a lot darker. It's more of a yellow, a little bit of a black undertone to the bronze, and that's the bronze that I'm used to seeing. This does not look like bronze to me, so keep that in mind. Coming up here, this is their copper, which it's a copper. It's a little bit more of a red tone copper, a little bit darker than some of them, but I just put it's close to the copper penny. Down here, it's silver. It looks very similar to the Soho silver and very similar to Lucas Krill's silver, but not much of a difference there. And then they have their black pearl. Now the black pearl is really dark. It has a really nice shine to it, as you guys can see. I put a little bit of that Mioted luster gray next to it because I wanted to see, and the luster gray that I always thought was pretty dark came out a lot lighter. So I just wanted to see in comparison. The luster gray it's lighter, but those are the 6 colors that we are going to be using today. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below about their name choice, and if you agree with me that they look more like the colors I said. But that's my first impression, my first review on these right now. They do come out very opaque, as you can see. I literally just put it on there quickly with my finger and let it dry. So they are very opaque, except for the silver. You can see a little bit of a transparency. Just a little bit more of a semi-transparent. But I was happy with how opaque they were and the consistency of the paint. So this is just what they look like right here, with their copper gold, bronze, copper, silver, and black pearl. It's a cute little set. So there will be a giveaway, and I'll talk about that at the end of the video. But somebody else is going to get their own set, brand new set of these, so they can try them out. Moving all along, we are going to be working on an Artist Loft 2, level 2. It's an 8x8. And so let me get this open, let me get this prepped, and then the base color today is one I mixed up. I took Christina's Cloud White, Christina's Laguna Shimmer, Christina's Cloud White, and then I added some golden cad yellow to it to make it a little bit more of a rich yellow tone. So I just want to see how these paints are going to react on this. We'll play more with these colors down the line with other paints as well, but I just wanted a yellow background and to play with that, and so that's what we'll be doing. So let me get this all set up, let me get the base color down, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back now that I have the yellow base down and everything's set. Oh, it's such a pretty canary yellow, isn't that? I'm in love with that color. But yeah, so the reason I wanted to use the cloud base instead of my normal white base to make the yellow is because it generally gives you more of a fluffy texture, hopefully, and this one had the Laguna Shimmer, which has the shimmer to it, and since we're using metallics, I wanted it just kind of to stay kind of shiny. But we're not doing a flip cup, we're not doing any of that. Today we're going to apply the colors, and then we're going to airbrush them out, and see what we can make out of that. Maybe just airbrush it up and out and into the yellow paint, and we're going to play from there. But we're going to throw this into a time lapse because this may get noisy with the air gun, and I might grab a hairdryer and that'll get noisy. But yeah, let me throw this into a time lapse and we'll see you guys at the end.
Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see. There's more to our story. Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see. There's more to our story. Don't leave me.
Alright, so I decided to play around a little bit. I did add one extra color, which was just the Master's Touch Permanent Black, because I wanted to see how that would work, and it's the only one that really selled up and muddied up and everything else. But if I would have left the black out, I have a feeling this would have been very cloudy, but it would have been very too similar in color. I'm loving the way these are. They don't sell up, they cloud out. There's no silicone in these right now, but I'm excited because I can already see the metallics, the shimmer inside of them. And when this is dry, I have a feeling I'm going to really like it. It's very organic. It is very kind of rough, but I'm loving the way this silver isn't just lost. How sometimes silver likes to just disappear. This silver is actually staying pretty prominent, and so I'm excited to see how this dries. We'll find out in the next video. But as far as the giveaway, we do have a second set of our KINGART for one of you guys to try out, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do this giveaway, but I think the best option is, out of everyone that comments on this video, if you want to share this video too, that helps. I might even consider doing 2 entries for everyone that shares this video. But everyone that comments on this video will be entered into the drawing. And in the next video, when I show you guys this dry, we'll go back, revisit the fall flip and drag I did, and we'll do the gold leafing on that video and everything. But we'll do the drawing on that video for the KINGART and see who wins. So until then, comment, share, like, let me know what you guys think. I know it's kind of like a mess for some of you, but I really like it. I've been wanting to use yellow for a long time, but yeah. We'll see how this dries. We'll revisit it then, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my